Mamlakat Maaden Holding is a diversified mining and minerals group operating across multiple sectors within the natural resources industry. The group includes Yasmin Mining, specializing in mining operations, construction activities, and fertilizer production. Goldora, focused on gold mining and resource development. Rawasik Al Tafawuk, providing business trade support, financial consulting, company formation and market entry, corporate services, and specialized advisory and regulatory support for mining-related activities in Saudi Arabia. Alliance Holding, driving sustainable growth across the energy, water, mining, and fertilizer sectors. Jibal Amaya, dedicated to gold mining exploration. Al-Manajim Al-Rasasiya, focused on graphite exploration, supporting energy storage and battery technologies. Al-203 Mining Company, engaged in bauxite exploration and development supporting aluminum industries and downstream manufacturing. Al-Sakir Al-Burkani, specializing in basalt resources. Draven, focused on the development of magnesite resources. Al-Sabaik Al-Dabia, operating in magnesite mining and processing. Abir Al-Mustakbal, specializing in silica and silicon dioxide products for industrial and specialty applications. The mission of Mamlakat Maaden Holding is to expand phosphate mining operations to support the continuous growth of DCP production. Mamlakat Maaden Holding is a leading producer of high-quality mineral products, delivering reliable solutions for industrial agricultural applications. The production complex is a modern industrial facility fully integrated with liquid and solid raw material storage system. The production chain begins with phosphate mining operations. The mining area is prepared by removing overburden layers to expose the phosphate or deposits. The phosphate matrix, consisting of phosphate rock mixed with sand and clay, is then extracted using controlled mining methods. High-pressure water systems are used to convert the extracted material into slurry, which is transported through pipelines to the beneficiation plant. At the beneficiation plant, the phosphate ore is refined to improve its quality and concentration. The material undergoes crushing, washing, and screening to separate usable phosphate rock from unwanted materials. Flotation processes are used to separate phosphate particles from impurities. Fine clay materials are removed through desliming operations. The upgraded phosphate concentrate is then prepared as feedstock for the DCP production process. The process begins with low-grade phosphate rock, which serves as the primary source of phosphorus. At the same time, HCl is prepared as the main reacting agent. Both raw materials are carefully handled and fed into the system under controlled conditions to ensure stable and safe operation. Inside the acidulation reactor, phosphate rock reacts with HCl. Through continuous mixing and controlled operating parameters, the reaction converts the solid rock into a slurry containing dilute phosphoric acid and reaction byproducts. This step forms the foundation of the entire process. The reaction slurry is transferred to the filtration stage. Here, solid materials are separated from the liquid phosphoric acid. Gypsum is removed as a byproduct, while the phosphoric acid continues to the next stage of processing. All stages of the process are carried out safely under controlled operating conditions. The dilute phosphoric acid undergoes a pre-treatment process to remove impurities such as iron, aluminum, and other unwanted elements. This purification step ensures the quality and consistency required for producing high-grade decalcium phosphate. The purified phosphoric acid is transferred to the DCP reactor. Here, lime is added in a controlled manner to neutralize the acid. As a result, decalcium phosphate begins to form as a solid product suspended in slurry. The DCP slurry is filtered to separate the solid product from the remaining liquid. Processed water is recovered and recycled back into the system, improving efficiency and reducing overall water consumption. The filtered decalcium phosphate is sent to the drying stage. Moisture is removed to produce a dry, free-flowing powder with the required physical and chemical properties. The finished DCP powder is transferred to storage silos, ready for packaging and distribution. The final product meets strict quality standards and is suitable for use in animal feed applications worldwide.